Today we are doing filler in the hands because you know what can show your age? Your hands. Well, I guess, and also your neck and your eyes, but besides that, people do not like their hands. And what we can do is we can actually put collagen-stimulating filler into the hands that makes them look younger. So I'm going to show you how we do it because it's really pretty simple. I've already put a little bit of lidocaine into my one little insertion spot. And if you ever watch my videos, you know I love to use cannula. So I'm going to, can you feel here? No? Okay, cool. So I'm going to go right there to make a little insertion point. Perfect. The nice thing about filler in the hands is that you can see it right away. Okay, so here's my little handy dandy cannula. And I am purposely shaking it. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, you doing okay? All right, awesome. So we're gonna put it kind of all over, really concentrate up in this little web area. And typically I recommend a syringe per side and then doing it once a year. The nice thing about this filler is that it makes you make collagen. Some of them do, some of them don't. And it is one of the few fillers that is FDA cleared for the hands. And you doing all right?
Mm-hmm.
I know it looks real superficial now, but it just kind of spreads out nice and evenly. There's really no downtime from this. I mean, unless I give you a bruise, but it's a bruise on your hand, so you could just say, you know, you hurt yourself cooking or whatever. And this is a perfectly safe procedure. Like I said, it'll stimulate you to make more collagen in the area that you want to make collagen the most, which is the hand at this time. So what I like people to do now is I'm going to have you sit on your hand. You're going to put a little cover like this, and you're going to put this under your bum. And we're going to go to the other side. And it just helps kind of to warm it, to smooth it. It's perfect. How painful was that other side? Was it painful or is it okay?
It's fine.
Okay, good. So in case you do have discomfort with any of our procedures, we have nitrous. What I do with this is I do lidocaine, injectable lidocaine. We have numbing cream. So there's lots of ways that we can make people comfortable. And this is a pretty easy procedure to do with just the injected lidocaine. You okay here?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. And then this particular filler lasts for a year, but the collagen that it makes will last as long as the collagen that you make lasts. So it could be a couple years. So this does have a little lidocaine in it, so hopefully it's becoming a little bit more numb. But if your hands are numb for an hour, don't be concerned. It's just the lidocaine that we put in there.
Mm-hmm.
And that is it. That is the end of it. So again, you're going to take this hand and you're going to put it underneath your bum, and it's going to help to smooth out the filler here. And it can swell, so sometimes there's swelling afterwards, but for the most part, I mean, it already looks great. So we're gonna spread it out by having you sit under your bum so it reaches up there a little bit more. There's a couple different ways you can do injections for the hands, but I personally like to do just the spot of for the cannula, because I think it was overall really easy. Our patient didn't need any, numbing cream, no Pronox. It's done in 5 minutes, easy peasy. So anyhow, if you want to find out if our filler is right for you anywhere, or anything about any of our other over 55 procedures that we do here, you can find us online at RejuvenationMD.com.